Hello, today we're here with Don Carriker to discuss whether I should refinance my mortgage or not. Don, the first question I have for you today is what are the reasons for refinancing?
Okay, typically there's maybe four reasons for somebody to refinance. Either they're having problems with the cash flow, they need a lower payment, or they want to pay off their house faster than what they currently are, or they want cash out, they want to pay off some debt, or they want to go ahead and consolidate their debt in a different manner. Maybe they have different loans and they want to consolidate into maybe one loan and make it easier to make the payments.
Okay, so what are some of the refinance options that are out there?
Oh gosh, there's a bunch of different options. There are options for streamlined refinances that don't take as much paperwork. For example, if you go from an FHA loan and you're going to want to keep an FHA loan, then we can do a streamlined FHA. You can do a streamlined VA loan, veterans loan. Another option is to go ahead and do a cash out refinance, like we talked about, pay off some debt, or just do a standard rate and term refinance and
Okay,
get a lower interest rate.
cool. So, is there a rule of thumb for somebody that wants to refinance?
Yeah, a lot of people ask me that. Should I refinance right now, or should I even look at refinancing right now? I would say, as a rule of thumb right now, probably 4.75% or higher, if your fixed rate is at 4.75 or higher on a 30-year loan, or let's say you're around 4.25 or higher on a 15-year loan, you might want to look at refinancing because the rates are better than that right now. And the big question is, why should I refinance if I'm not saving more than 1%? Well, the old rule of thumb used to be 1%. When the rates were at 8%, there was a better chance for the rates to go down than there is right now. The rates are pretty much at the bottom. There's not likelihood that you'll get a 1% savings off your interest rate. But does that mean not do it? Not at all. If you save $100 a month on a refinance, let's say, then if it costs you $2,400 to do the refinance, that's a break even of 24 months. So if you're breaking even in 24 months and you know you're going to live in the house for 10 years, then all you got to do is keep it for two years and you're good. You've got that savings for the rest of the whole life of the loan. So it makes sense to refinance. Anytime you can break even on the refinance cost and then some. If you're going to own it for 5 or 10 years and you break even in 2 or 3, it makes sense to refinance regardless of what the interest rate, the new interest rate, how much lower it is. It doesn't have to be that 1%.
Okay, so if I want to refinance my mortgage, then where do I need to start?
Okay, first step would be to probably contact your favorite loan officer, the person that either did your loan last time, or contact us. And the easiest way to do that is just go to the website iwantagreathomeloan.com. And if you go to iwantagreathomeloan.com, you can get the information that you need there to kind of help guide you what you should do next. One of the quickest ways is just fill out the quick inquiry. It takes 2 minutes, and then we'll be in contact with you and find out what your situation is and how much we can save you.
Okay. Well, I want to thank Don today for spending some time with us answering the question of should I refinance my mortgage. If you have any questions for us at all, please visit us at iwantagreathomeloan.com. Fill out a quick inquiry if you are ready to get started, or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them on the comments section on our blog also. We want to thank you again. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon again.
Take care.